Hello, I'm Wendy from the Sidlaw Hare. I'm a teacher and a children's author. And today on EYFS Home, we are celebrating World Turtle Day. Wow! We are going to learn about the life cycle of turtles. We're going to make a turtle. There's another one there. Can you see it? We're going to make a habitat for turtles, so where they live. And then we're going to talk about and learn about how we can protect turtles and keep them safe. What can we do to help keep the turtles safe and protect the environment that they live in? And then we'll have a bedtime story. Are you ready? It's going to be a turtly awesome day. Yay!